5 AI tools to help you make money online. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 AI tools that will help you make money online, okay? So, the first AI tool that we're going to be talking about is obviously ChatGPT. We can not leave this software out if we're talking about amazing AI softwares that are going to help you make money. ChatGPT is just everything combined because this software will help you get anything, get any answer, get like any type of thing that you want. So let's say you're running a Shopify store, but you know nothing about it. Okay. You're running an e commerce store, but you want tips regarding it. Okay. So you can write, ask GPT questions. How do I make money on Shopify clothing store? Okay, let's ask GPT. Let's see what it does. So basically, yeah, sometimes it might give you a different answer, but all you're gonna need to do is just generate it. Now, once you generate these chats, basically what GPT will do is it will start generating these different types of answers for you. So as you can see, it says optimize for SEO, create a business plan, do your market research, set up your Shopify store, product sourcing. Like it fully goes with the details. It doesn't leave anything out. Okay. So yeah, that's the first AI software. And you can also use ChatGPT to, write you things, write you content and stuff. You could take jobs on Fiverr, like typewriting and stuff, and you can use GPT to write it. Okay. Now, the next tool is a bit similar to what I just told you, the Fiverr thing. It's called Word AI. Word AI is an AI text rewriter. So basically, let's say a person on Fiverr has given you a task. He says, or she says, that I want you to take this paragraph that I've written and I want you to make it act like I am a 40 years experienced software engineer professional or something like that. And you can just use artificial intelligence to write that. You can just tell Word AI that, okay, I want enriched text, improve quality, describe the same ideas differently, split sentences, whatever you want. You're going to add that. You're going to add your preference, and then it's going to rewrite it. And it's going to rewrite it accordingly to what you want. And you can send it back to the Fiverr client, and they're going to be happy with it. Trust me. Okay. The third AI software that we're going to be talking about is obviously Midjourney. Okay. They're probably wondering why I'm talking about Midjourney. Now, Midjourney is an art design software, okay? And it makes the most high definition art that I've ever seen. And you could use this to, make paintings. You could make digital art and sell it online. And people actually buy that stuff on Etsy or any other marketplace. So Midjourney, again, just enter a prompt and it's going to make that art and sell it online. Like, just imagine how crazy is that, okay? Then moving on, we're going to be talking about number 4 on the list. It's called Pictory AI. Pictory AI, another great generator, but this is a video generator. And you can use this to do video marketing. Okay. Let's correlate this to the Shopify store. I have a Shopify store and I want to make, a video marketing video, a marketing video for my Shopify store, my clothing store. I could easily use Pictory. I could put in my inputs in Pictory, tell them to, do this, do that, transform this clip into that clip, and make a realistic character animated, to get the sense of entertainment and warmth. And it's going to do it for me. So, yeah, Pictory, another great way to make money. Lastly, we're going to be talking about Synthesia.io. Now, Synthesia is basically an AI video generator, an AI video creator, and you can add a spokesperson to this video. Like you can add a proper person. Now you're probably wondering, why would this help me make money? Make a YouTube channel. You don't need to use your face. You don't need to use your voice. You just need to use this AI. And from there now, you can upload countless videos with this random AI face. What's that going to do? That's just going to help you make money without even revealing your identity. And YouTube is the best online place to make money. So, yeah, these are basically 5 different AI tools that will help you make money online. Now, if you enjoyed and found this helpful, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing all of you people next time. Goodbye.